Great, and quick experiment. Let's look at this. The voltage here is 4,00. Then let's look here. The voltage here is 1,33. Let's look at this one. The voltage here is 1,33. Let's look at this one. The voltage there is, the voltage there is 1,33. Okay, so if you can add all these, you will get the voltage at the battery, the total voltage, that is the EMF when you look at the battery. Now let's look at the current in each. So the current here, now it is 0,13. The current here 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 0,13. Okay, the current is the same, but the voltage is divided. The current is the same throughout, but the voltage is divided. How? The voltage is 4,00, but in this one the voltage is 1,33. So the voltage is divided into 1,33 kuzo zonke. Okay, now let's say this one was 20 ohm voltage, and this one maybe it's 30 ohm resistance, and 30 ohms. Okay, let's check at the voltage at the battery. The voltage at the battery is 4,00. So look at this. This one is 10 ohm resistor. This is 20. This one is 30. Let's look at the voltage in each. The voltage here is 0,67. Let's look at this one. The voltage in this one is 1,33. Let's look at this one. The voltage in this one is 2,0. When you combine this voltage, will give you 4. Okay, let's look at the current. The current here is 0,07. 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 So the current is the same series, regardless of the value of resistance. Okay, the current is the same throughout, but the voltage is not the same. We are going to have at the experiment for parallel and see what is happening there.